Hello everybody, this is Gwen M, the Simple Marketer, and in this video it's all about the domain name. You are going to need one when you join the Power Lead system. You're going to need something like a www.gwenthesimplemarketer.com, .org, .biz, .net, whatever you decide to choose. Okay, you can use your name, you can use your marketing name, you can use anything that you want, but you are going to need at least one main domain name. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right within the back office of your Power Lead system. Okay, so let's jump right in and get started. The first thing you want to do, hover your mouse over websites, go down to buy a domain name. Click on that. And as you can see, domain names back here are $17.97. Okay, you can save money by buying your domain name from somewhere else. Okay, so I'm going to put in gwenspowerblogsecrets.com or .net or .org. It's my choice, okay? And I choose .com, all right? Now, next thing I'm going to do is click on the green button. Is this domain available? And yes, it is available, okay? You can verify your spelling, make sure everything's okay. Yes, make sure you put a check in each of these little boxes here. Read them and check them off as you read them. Okay, very, very, very important that you do that. We're going to scroll down and click put a check in the last one and charge my credit card. And it's just that easy and just that simple of how to buy a domain name back here. Now that you have bought your main domain name within the back office of your Power Lead system, you are now ready and prepared to create as many pages as you like. Your squeeze pages, landing pages, bridge pages. Remember, you always want to look different and you always want to stand out above the crowd, and the Power Lead system will allow you to do that. Now, I'm going to let the founder of the Power Lead system, Neil Guest, he's going to show you how to attach a subdomain name onto your main domain name that you just purchased. Okay, now remember, you can attach as many subdomain names as you like. It doesn't matter. Even if you had 1,000, you can attach them onto your main domain name. Okay, so I'm going to let Neil Guest take it away from here.
In this video, you're going to learn all about subdomains. Now, what is a subdomain? Why would you need a subdomain? How do you create one? What's it used for? Well, if you haven't already done so, you need to at least get yourself a domain. And a domain is www.something.com or .biz, .info. And if you need some help, if you need an idea, you could use your first and last name or just your first name inside the domain, something like workwithmary.com or workwithmarysmith.com, successwithmary.com, successwithmarysmith.com. That hopefully might give you some ideas that you can run with. But once you've purchased a domain or transferred one and it's in your system, and by the way, this video here under step 2 helps you go over that, all right? When you click on websites, whatever domain you purchased, whatever domain you've transferred, or whatever subdomain you've created, okay, after you click on websites, it's automatically going to show up in this drop-down menu right here. So let's go create some subdomains. And the reason you want to create unlimited subdomains or have the ability to do that, what if you have 5 different opportunities that you're promoting at one time? What if you want to track which advertising location is working the best? There's so many different reasons why you want to create subdomains. So what you're going to do is hover over websites, click on domains/subdomains, and then click right here where it says manage subdomains. Okay, so any domain I just scroll down a little bit after I did that. Any domain that you purchased or transferred is going to be, again, in this drop-down menu here. So select the base domain that you want to create your subdomain from. And then whatever you type in this box is going to automatically create your subdomain as long as you click create. So I'm going to create one called A. Now I might label this FB for Facebook or CL for Craigslist, or I may kind of give it the initials of the company that I'm using for this particular funnel. I'm just going to keep it simple and generic. I'm going to create one called A.mydomain, and I'm just going to go back and I'm going to create another one called B, and I'm going to click create, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to create one called C. Okay, so now let's go to the website section. I'm going to click on websites. I just created 3 domains in a couple of seconds. Now I can attach 3 entirely different funnels to each of these 3 domains I just created, and you'll see them right here. There's A, B, and C. All right, so I'm going to start with A. Now I'm in the free lead system section, so if I want to go select a regular non-free lead system lead capture page, so I'm going to select become a prospect for whatever I want. So now that my subdomain is showing here, all I got to do is decide what lead capture page or what sales page do I want to attach to this brand new subdomain that I just created. So let's say I'm going to attach this one here, any company lead capture page number 9. You can attach anything that you've created. It doesn't have to be something we've created. I'm just going to select that one here. I'm going to scroll all the way down, click Save My Choice. What page do I want my prospects to see after they opt in? Well, let's say I'm promoting Amway, so I'm going to type in amway.com/my username. You get the idea. You set this up exactly how you want it. Save my choice. And I'm going to confirm that's correct. All right, so what autoresponder campaign do I want my prospects to receive for this particular funnel that I'm working on? This one right here. Well, this may be a campaign that you've created. Any campaign that you've created previously will automatically show up inside this drop-down menu. So I'm going to select my campaign. I'm going to click I choose this campaign, and that's it. I have now set up a funnel on this unique specific subdomain. And I'm going to just type in an email address here, and I'm going to point something out here after I opt in. Okay. As long as at least one lead has come through that specific funnel, that domain I should say, you can pinpoint that lead inside your Contact Manager. For example, I'm going to go to Contact Manager. I'm going to hover over Contacts, click on Contact Manager, and sure, I'm going to see that lead right here. Okay, but I don't want to see all these other leads. Let's suppose that you only want to see the leads that opted in to that specific subdomain. Well, as long as at least one lead has come through, that subdomain is going to pop up inside the drop-down menu inside your Contact Manager. And there it is right there. Now you see that? Now I only see the lead that came in through this specific subdomain that I created. That is cool. Okay, now notice also, when I create a subdomain, there's no www. Okay, so don't go add a www on your own to a subdomain. It doesn't show you one when it creates it, so don't add one. Pretty simple. Okay, so now I'm going to attach a brand new funnel to my subdomain number 2 that I created, which, if you remember, is simply B. All right, so where is it? Right there. I've got a brand new subdomain, and I want to get out of the free lead system section, and I'm going to attach a Power Lead System lead capture page this time. So I'm going to attach this one here. I'm going to scroll all the way down. Okay, what do I want my prospects to see after they opt into that page? It could be a sales page that I've created. If I've created a sales page, it's automatically going to show up in this bottom section. But I'm just going to attach a free lead system sales page, which I selected there. So I'm going to scroll down, click Save My Choice. And now what autoresponder campaign? I'm just going to leave it here, Power Lead System Opportunity. All right. So now I've created a brand new funnel that's attached to this other subdomain that I created. Okay, so now that's funnel number 2. Now let's say I'm promoting Manatech, for example. So I want to set up a funnel to promote my Manatech business if I had one. So I'm going to click on websites, and I'm going to select that third. Okay, so now inside the drop-down menu, I've got my third subdomain that I created. So now let's say I want to use the free lead system to build and create leads for my hypothetical Manatech business. So it's already set to the free lead system. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select this one here, promote my primary, and save my choice. And that's it. I now have 3 completely separate funnels set up, and I just walked you through the steps on how to do that. And keep in mind, you can do this for an unlimited amount. You can create an unlimited amount of subdomains. Okay, so I can go back here to manage subdomains. I can delete ones that I've created if I don't like them anymore, or I can start creating more. Maybe I want to call this one Facebook. I just click create and I've got a brand new subdomain. And once I create it, once again, anytime all your subdomains and all your domains are going to be in this drop-down menu once you click on websites. And attaching things to your domain and your subdomains is very, very simple. You can't break this, so give that a try, get used to how this works, and you're really going to love this feature. So tomorrow we got a great video coming. You're going to learn a lot, so be on the lookout and stay tuned for that.
If you decided that you wanted to buy your domain name from GoDaddy or Namecheap, any domain name website, then the only thing that you have to do is in your back office of the Power Lead system, again, you want to hover your mouse over websites. You want to go down to where it says transfer domains, and you want to click on that, and it's going to take you to a window where you can key in your domain name, okay, your entire domain name, and click on the green button that says show instructions, and it's going to show you what you need to do from there. And it's super easy, nothing to worry about, super easy to get your domain name uploaded onto your Power Lead system. Who am I? I'm Gwen M, the Simple Marketer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can smash that like button and click on that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I upload a video, which is Monday through Friday. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you in another video.